The genus Giraffe, scientific name Giraffe, is a group of mammals belonging to the order Artiodactyla, known as the tallest land animals and the largest ruminants. It is classified in the family Giraffidae, along with its closest living relative, the okapi. The genus comprises 11 species, including the type species Giraffe camelopardalis. Among these, 7 prehistoric species are known from fossils, while 4 species are currently living. Although Giraffe was once considered to have 9 subspecies, mitochondrial DNA research has revealed 4 distinct living species. Therefore, the genus Giraffe includes Giraffe, southern giraffe, Giraffe tipelskirchi, Maasai giraffe, Giraffe reticulata, Somali giraffe, and Giraffe camelopardalis, northern giraffe. The giraffes' range is scattered from Chad in the north to South Africa in the south, and from Niger in the west to Somalia in the east of Africa. Giraffes typically inhabit savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. Their main source of food is the leaves of acacia trees, which they browse at heights that most other herbivores cannot reach. Lions can hunt giraffes, and the young are targets for leopards, spotted hyenas, and African wild dogs. In fights, when their necks are used as weapons, males use this behavior to reinforce their social hierarchy. The entire body is covered with irregular spots on a coat that ranges from yellow to black, divided by white, light brown, and brownish yellow colors. Males can reach heights of 4.8 to 5.5 meters, 16 to 18 feet, and weigh up to 1,300 kilograms, 3,000 pounds. The recorded height of a giraffe is 5.87 meters, 19.2 feet, and it weighed about 2,000 kilograms, 4,400 pounds. Females are typically slightly shorter and lighter than males, weighing around 828 kilograms. Giraffes are classified within the family of deer and cattle, but are grouped into a different family known as the Giraffidae, which includes giraffes and their closest relative, the okapi. Their habitat ranges from Chad to South Africa. Giraffes can inhabit savannas, grasslands, or mountainous forests. However, when food becomes scarce, they may venture into denser wooded areas. They prefer regions with abundant acacia trees. This species typically drinks large amounts of water at once and can retain water in their bodies for a long time, allowing them to survive in arid environments for extended periods. Giraffes can run quickly and can reach speeds of up to 55 kilometers per hour, 34 miles per hour, in emergencies, meaning they can keep up with racehorses over short distances. The neck is an important aspect of giraffe sexual and social behavior. According to observations by scientists, male giraffes often use their necks to court one another. They intertwine their necks in a graceful manner, after which aggressive behaviors between the two males may begin. This action resembles battles between males for mating rights commonly seen in the animal kingdom. The difference is that after these intense battles, the two males often engage in copulation. Most interactions between two male giraffes involve necking, as seen in the image, 2 South African giraffes, and anal intercourse. Giraffes tend to live separately by sex, and necking behavior often occurs among male herds. In a report, researchers spent 3,200 hours over 3 years observing a herd of giraffes in Tanzania National Park and made some surprising discoveries. They documented a total of 16 instances of 2 males engaging with each other. They suggested this behavior might reflect social status among giraffes, but there was no evidence to support this claim. During the same period, they only observed one pair of a male and a female giraffe mating. The report indicated that 94% of the mating behavior observed among giraffes was same-sex interactions. Giraffes typically inhabit savannas and open woodlands. They prefer acaciae, comifera, combretum forests, and open terminalia woodlands over denser environments like brachystegia forests. Angola giraffes can be found in desert environments. Giraffes browse on tree branches, favoring plants from the subfamily Acaceae and the genera Comifera and Terminalia, which provide essential calcium and protein for their growth. They also eat shrubs, grass, and fruit. An average giraffe consumes about 34 kilograms, 75 pounds of leaves each day. When stressed, giraffes may chew on tree bark. Although they are herbivores, giraffes are known to scavenge and lick dried meat off bones. During the rainy season, food is abundant, and giraffes tend to disperse more, while in the dry season, they gather around remaining evergreen trees and shrubs. Mothers tend to feed in open areas, possibly to better detect predators, although this may reduce their feeding efficiency. As ruminants, giraffes first chew their food, swallow it for initial digestion, then bring it back up their long necks to chew it again, allowing them to salivate while feeding. Giraffes require much less food than many other herbivores because the leaves they consume are more nutrient-dense and they have a more efficient digestive system. Their dung is small and pellet-like. When they have access to water, giraffes drink every 3 days at most. Giraffes significantly impact the trees they feed on, delaying